So we're gonna take the brake caliper off. So when I close the hose, I clamp the hose now. Show you. So I clamp the hose. It's got the brake line off of the caliper. I've loosened the caliper already. I've taken the brake pads out, and they're not in the best of shape. The brake disc itself is perfect. There's no edge, no wear. It's very smooth. So I think the issue is in the caliper itself. So either the pistons are there's two pistons on either side pushing down on the pads. I have to want to look at these pistons. I can get them new pistons and rubbers and seals and everything for refurbishing these calipers, or if the rot is inside, I'll have to get a whole new caliper. I hope it's just the pistons, but for that we have to take the whole assembly apart and really look at the pistons. So that's what we shall do. We shall check it out, and at the same time I'm going to do the boots on the drive shafts on either side. So we have to take the oil out of the diff, lower the diff somewhat, take the back bolts off, and then take the whole plate off so we can get to the circlip that's holding the axle inside the planetarium. So that's the next thing we want to do, but let's first get this caliper out. So here we have the caliper. I don't know if I want to crack it open or try to get the pistons out before. These rubbers are sort of perished already. Okay, and here are the pads just to show you. I don't know if it shows up, but yeah, they're pitted. They're very deeply scored. They weren't new, but they weren't really down to the metal yet, but they are, both of them. So in that sense, both pistons were still moving, I guess. This one even has a crack in the pad itself, in the material, braking material. So these are bad. These we have to change. Now it's only to look at the piston. Okay, here we go. Here is the seal, the dust cap, which looks fine. I mean, it's not like something failed on that. I mean, on the dust caps, I mean. The dust, they're not leaking. Let's try it and use a compressor with some compressed air and releasing these pistons from the caliper. Here we are. And there we have the piston. Let's see how this works. Whoop, okay. Well, that's one. That came out very easily. As you can see, it has rust markings. I guess we can renew this. I have to pop this one back in to try and get the other side out. There we go. Well, that was easy enough. Let's see if I can get the other one to come out. If I hold this one closed, let us see. Okay. Well, that one is more stuck for sure. Okay, well, after some finicking, that one goes out very easily. This one was stuck. It's coming out now. Let's see if I can hold the one get the other one out without hurting my... Ow! I am hurting my thumb. Came out. This one was way more stuck. So it has more rust damage. Pitting, although I guess it's also from standing. Okay, well, I'll have to look at the cylinders themselves before I decide to either get a new caliper or get new pistons for this one. Inside, yeah, there is some discoloring there. I don't know. Oil anyway, the brake oil. Brake fluid is, well, I don't trust it. It's probably old, over its date, so I'm going to change it anyway. So I think my choice is we're going to get 2 new brake calipers and fit them. It's a lot easier. I'm still not really sure about the hoses, the flexible hoses. They look new, and they have no cracks. I'll show you again. I'll show myself again. I'll bend them, see what happens, but I guess they're just very stiff. But they are. So here we go. Yeah, they're stiff, but they're fine. So we'll just leave them. I think I'll just start disassembling, order the stuff, and when everything's in, do the 2 sides. But I think I'll concentrate on the drive axles, because